Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to delete data usage history on your Vivo phone. First, open your phone's Settings application, which you can typically find on your home screen or within your app drawer. This initial step is crucial for accessing the deeper system options needed for this particular process. Look for the gear icon representing Settings and tap on it to begin our journey. Once inside the settings, scroll down and look for an option like Network and Internet or Mobile Network, depending on your Vivo model. Tap on this selection to reveal your connection settings and data management features. Here, you will find details about your current data usage, but no immediate button to clear the past records. We need to go a bit deeper for our solution. The only way to effectively delete your data usage history on a Vivo phone involves performing a Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Navigate back to the main settings, then find System or System and Updates, and finally look for Reset Options. This specific reset clears all network-related data, including the usage history you wish to remove, without touching your personal files. Once you select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth, you will see a confirmation prompt asking if you are sure. Tap Reset Settings to proceed. Your phone will then ask for your screen lock PIN or pattern to authorize the action, ensuring it is intentionally performed. After this quick process, your Vivo phone's data usage history will be completely gone, giving you a clean slate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.